Sure, we're good.
Okay, the scale. It's a little bit different when you get into the high ones. Okay, now every row is the same, of course. This is Do on the G, and the other two start on the third ones. This is F row. It's just the same. See. Mm-hmm. This was the only key that I hear that's a little bit flat. And so now when you're playing, I would learn to do that with one button first. Learn to get the scale down. Yeah. Okay, then you graduate where you play the harmony. Now, this one here, there's nothing to harmonize with it because it's too low on the scale. But you can get it by going to this one here. I do it so unconsciously, it's hard to explain. But, okay, you go. Okay, now once you get that, then it's just a matter of picking out your songs. Of course, when you need a sharp or a flat, you have to go over. Now, like... See, I went to this one here. And just pick out your song. Then after you get it all together, then start going to your basses. Remember that the outside row is G, and it starts with the top two. And then you keep your time, of course. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the middle row, of course. Okay, but now remember that to keep your finger on the air button. See right here? Mm-hmm. Because you can play that, and that gives you a lot more room when you go in and out. Now let's see, I'll play a song where I have to use it.
And believe me, I need a lot of room when I'm going in and out.
See my thumb? I'm working it. Make it easier to push and pull, and also you can catch up where if you get into a bind, you can get the same note from a different row. Now watch this. Let's see. See? That's the same note. It's the same note, but I'm going to the other row, see? But one is going in, the other one is going out. You see what I mean? That in and out is kind of sounds like it makes it so difficult, but after you get used to it, you don't even know you're doing it. Yeah, but you can get them all over, see? Okay, that's it. That's about all there is to it. If you can do that, but be sure not to forget about the air button.
And also the difference between the two bass rows and their relationship to the rows up front.
Okay, the outside row is G, and that is the top button here. See, you can hear right away whether it harmonizes or not. But you can go to another row. Now watch. You see, that's the same. In, out. You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. But basically, forget about that. Just, you know that these two go with the outside row. The next two are for the middle row. And the bottom two go for the last row, which is F. Then as you play songs, you can put all your little fillers in there that you want to do, you know.
Your embellishments.
Yeah, embellishments.
Now, the inside row, that's minor or something, right?
Yes, those are minors. You very rarely use them.
Except in sad songs.
They're there
right?
if you're playing a Russian song.